ready for this? Look at all this dead bees everywhere. Okay, they told me it was the kitchen vent. You guys ready for this? And they said it's only been here a couple of days. All right, let's suit up and get this started. All right. Okay, guys, so I opened up the window so the bees can escape. And the reason that they're in that little vent is because it wasn't installed properly. Open sesame. My. Here, look at my hand for reference, jeez. Wow, they have filled it up. They said it was only here for 2 days. Never fails. Listen to this, guys. Alright, guys. Oh, I think I just got stung. Oh my. Woo-wee. Uh-oh. That's flimsy. Oh my. Let's get the other stuff. Wow, there's honey up in here. I'm gonna have to cut it out. Oh my goodness, there's so much honey. Oh, there we go. My. Woo! Look at that brood, guys. And there's gotta be a queen on here somewhere. Where? I don't know. Don't ask. I ain't looking through all these bees. Oh, jeez, this is a mess. Okay, put this to the side. Time to scoop some bees, guys. Ever so gently. Always looking for a queen. Even though I won't bump into her because, you know, she has got a restraining order out on me. Okay, we're gonna spray a little bit just to get the bees off. Ever so lightly. They'll cluster somewhere. Once they cluster, then I can just scoop them right into the box. They are not happy. Okay, that looks sketchy, but that's the only way of doing this. So we're gonna have to leave that box here and leave the windows open, because before they couldn't escape, now they can. And if they go back and enter through the roof, they come and enter there and get into the box. All the brood, everything's there. Lid is a little bit open so the bees have full access. We'll be back in about 5 days to pick them up. All set. It's all honey right here, guys. Stuff that the bees can make more of. Clearly have a lot of stuff here because they had a lot of honey.